rid of your pimple, your eczema, your acne with Dettol antiseptic liquid. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Pretty Sunshine. In this channel we do all about skincare, beauty, lifestyle and vlog. So if that sounds interesting to you, if that's what you're actually looking for, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I'll make a new video. And in today's video, we are talking about the Dettol antiseptic liquid and how you can use your Dettol antiseptic liquid to get rid of your acne, your pimple, your eczema, your body acne. You all know Dettol is an antiseptic liquid that kills 99% of bacteria that are causing germs. And what causes pimples or what causes acne is bacteria, clogged pores. So that means Dettol can kill those bacteria on your face and on your body. And it is certain that Dettol also makes sure it removes rashes, eczema, pimples and acne. And you may be wondering, how can you use this affordable Dettol antiseptic liquid to get rid of your acne, your body acne and your pimples? How? Well, this problem is actually solved because in this video I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of how you can get rid of your acne using Dettol antiseptic liquid. We'll dive right into the process. I want you to understand three things. First of all, always conduct a patch test before using any skincare product, including this Dettol. Always conduct a patch test. You can do that in the order on your arms, on your inner arms, or on your inner thighs to see how your skin will actually react to that particular product. Number two, do not use Dettol antiseptic liquid natural. Do not use it so that it doesn't burn your skin. Do not use it. Always make sure you dilute your Dettol antiseptic liquid because this product right now is actually harsh when not diluted. It may burn, in fact it will burn your skin. And my sis, you don't want that for your skin, so remember to dilute your Dettol. Scanty pimples on your face, this is just what you have to do. Get a half cup of this Dettol like this. It's actually half, it's not full, it's half. So get a half cup. Get a clean bowl. I'm just using this container for this very video, but use what you feel you're comfortable with. Pour it into it and get yourself a water to dilute it because we are not using this on its raw form. We are not doing that. We are going to dilute it so that we are using half Dettol and half water. I feel it's actually safe for me. I do use sachet water because I feel it's actually safe. It's kind of clean a little bit. I'm just gonna pour it. Pour a reasonable amount that you know will dilute it. So what is here is actually a reasonable amount of water and Dettol. Get for yourself a cotton bud. We'll be using a cotton bud because our pimples are scanty. That is, if you have a scanty pimple, get a cotton bud. This, dip it into the solution you just got and that area, in that particular place you have a pimple, target it, go it round for like 10 seconds wherever you feel you have it. For me, I have this one, but it's actually going because I've been using this Dettol method for a very long time. So that is for those who have scanty pimples. But now let's say you have acne all over your face or your cheek is a lot. What will you do? You're going to use a very good cotton material, or let's say you're going to use a very neat cloth. Dip it into the solution and take it around your face. Go it around your face, do that process so that it tends to remove all those bacteria that are actually causing you acne on your face. And don't leave this solution on your face for a very long time. Don't do that. We don't want that because this product is harsh. Even though you have diluted it, leaving it on your face is not advised. Dettol antiseptic liquid will not get rid of your acne scars or your dark spot. It's not going to do that. So please take note. it will not get rid of your dark spots and your acne scars. As you can see, I've actually been using Dettol antiseptic liquid to get rid of my pimples and my acne, but the spots still remains. The spots are actually fading off because of the products that I'm using, but Dettol on its own will not get rid of your dark. Remember to wash off the solution, and after you have washed off the solution, please apply your skincare product, which goes with your toner, your serum, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. And remember, all these products that we have just mentioned, none of it should clog your pores, because once your pores are clogged, there's higher possibility that you're breaking out sooner or later. And none of these should actually be comedogenic. Please take note. And last but not the least, if you have body acne, if you're suffering from body acne, the simple method we all do is you dilute it into your bathing water. That is a 1 cup full of your Dettol antiseptic liquid into your bathing water, depending on the amount of water you're using. If you're using 2 buckets to bath, that is 2 cups full. So please, that's just what you are going to do. But a big disclaimer, I am not a professional on this field. I am not a professional. I'm only saying this out of personal experience, because this is what I have done. I've been doing it for a very long time. I've been using the Dettol antiseptic liquid to get rid of my pimples whenever I have breakouts. So please guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.